Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to encrypt an Excel file with a password. This is a great way to protect your sensitive data from unauthorized access. First, open the Excel file that you want to encrypt. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. In the left-hand menu, click on Info. In the right-hand panel, click on Protect Workbook. In the drop-down menu, select Encrypt with Password. Enter the password you want to use in the first field. Then re-enter the password in the second field to confirm. Click OK. Save the file. You will be prompted to save the file with a new name. That's it. You've successfully encrypted your Excel file with a password. Now, anyone who tries to open the file will be prompted for the password. If you forget your password, you will not be able to open the file. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.